Are you confused how to start learning English? Maybe you watch many English videos but still don't know what to do first. So in this video I will share with you the easiest way to start learning English. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is me Kavya from Chhattisgarh. So in this video I will share with you a simple and easy way to start learning English at home for beginners. So this video is especially for beginners. You know, friend, when I started learning English, I also felt confused. Speaking felt scary. But later I understood one thing. You know what? We beginners, we start learning English. We start learning grammar rules and hard vocabulary from day one. I also did this. So, first thing you need to do is forget grammar rules. Yes, I am not saying that grammar is not important, but initial day grammar is not important. We should not start learning English from grammar rules or from learning grammars, right? So instead, because grammar creates many confusion, so instead of learning grammar rules and hard vocabulary, we should start learning very basic and simple vocabulary. So start learning basic and simple vocabulary. And second, simple English and daily use sentences. So we later I watched many videos where they were saying that we should start learning English from daily use sentences. So I started learning English. I started learning daily use sentences. So in daily use sentences, no need to learn difficult daily use sentences. Learn very basic. For example, I am eating food, I am going outside, I am studying, and I am making dishes. So in this way you can learn daily use sentences. Third is listening and watching videos every day. Now we watch videos in Hindi, so you have to convert into English. So whenever you watch something, watch in English only. And if you are into watching news, then watch only in English. So you can watch vlog videos, and vlog helped me a lot. So I used to watch vlog videos a lot. So watch vlog videos, simple conversation videos, and simple daily use, simple stories. There are a lot of channel, they create simple stories, cartoon stories. You can watch them. So watch 10 to 15 minutes. So see, according to your time you can watch. I will watch and listen. I will not say that you have to give this much time. So according to your time, watch and listen. And fourth is reading. Reading is also very important because it helps us to make our mouth habitual. So read very simple novels, and don't go for difficult novels. So simple stories book and children books, read them. And fifth and very important, speaking. So speak daily. From day one, start speaking. So you can speak about your daily routine, your day, what was your day. So when you wake up, just give things name. This is my bed, this is my wardrobe, this is my study table, this is a fan, this is my bed where I sleep. I'm going to make food, I'm going into kitchen, I'm going to the kitchen. So speak about whatever you see, and don't make excuses, because this is the biggest myth that we always say that I don't have partner, how I can speak English, how I can practice. So you are enough, you are enough. Speak yourself with yourself. You can speak in front of your camera. Just open your camera and speak as I speak, right? And speak in front of mirror. So do this. And sixth thing It is also very crucial, and that is thinking in English. So whenever you read and listen and watch, so think in English whatever you have listened, right? So do this every single day and you will definitely see the result. So let me reminder. First is forget grammar rules, and second, small simple daily use sentences. Third, listening and watching. Fourth, reading. Fifth, speaking. And sixth, thinking in English. So do this every single day, and I am telling you, you will definitely see the result. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll meet in the next video. See you.